Running this 2023 Mercury 60 horse command thrust, CT command thrust on this Sun Tracker Bass Buggy 18 DLX. Regular service, regular maintenance, new engine oil, new oil filter. I hooked up to the engine and pulled the engine hours. It's currently at 101.2 hours. When he brought this to me last February, he broke it in and had like 8.9 hours on it or whatever. So he put quite a bit of hours on it this past year. New gear oil, inspected the engine, make sure everything's good. Simple basic maintenance. I put the 2540 marine engine oil in this one. Well, this customer is good to go for another year.